Hello, everyone, and welcome. This is just a quick little intro video for this week. It's more so a note of a few things to pay attention to more than, say, a tutorial type of video. So we're in week 7, and what I've done is I've decided to shift the course schedule by a week. I wanted to give you a little more time to focus on your homework 1 assignment and that first midterm project. Also, I know some people had some issues with software, so this might give a little bit of time to help make up for those tech issues. So when you come into the Blackboard here, kind of in the intro area for the folder, you'll see I've left you a note. I'm also sending this out as a announcement. Basically, there'll be no new chapters from the textbook this week. There is, however, a discussion question. I'll show you that in just a minute. But again, the main focus is going to be the discussion question and then complete that homework 1 assignment, which will be due March 5th, the upcoming Sunday, and then time to work on the midterm project. Now, again, we are going to be working on chapter 5 and those exercises next week. So if you've got a really good handle on everything else, you're always more than welcome to kind of work ahead if you want. And do so. So if I click here, you're going to see the first thing I've done is there's an updated course schedule. Again, I'll put this into the announcements as well. But the big thing here is I've just primarily moved things down. So you have the homework 1 and beginning on the midterm project. Then you have chapter 5 will be the following week. We have our spring break, and you'll see there's getting to know. And then I've put in the homework 2 and 3. I'll actually post a little bit more on those next week. And then we have 7 and 8, and then 10. Now, again, with 10, and I'm going to mention this a little bit more. I'll be posting up this week a video or two for the midterm project, but the midterm project does have you doing a map layout, and you can do that on your own in like a drawing program, or even like a Google Slides or PowerPoint. But you can also do it from ArcGIS, which is a little bit more in chapter 10. And again, I'll talk about that more. And then there'll be the final project and your homework 4 and 5. All right, so that's kind of the updated schedule. Then again, we have the discussion, and for your midterm project, hopefully you've looked at that, but if you haven't looked at it yet, this discussion is kind of getting you to take a look at it. You're going to be required to create a map with some information on it. So I'm kind of asking you what you might be doing and where you might be getting your data from. Again, the discussion question doesn't have to have a lot, and I'll be honest, you could put something in there right now because you're thinking about it, and then you decide and change by the time you turn in your midterm project. That's fine. You're not committed 100% to this. More than anything else, it's just to help you begin thinking about your midterm project. Then again, I have the folder here for the midterm project, and that has the requirements and some other material, and that's due March 26th. And then I have the homework 1, which is due by March 5th. And again, for homework 1, you're doing essentially kind of some of the same things you've been doing these last few weeks. It's just you're going out and getting the information, the data set yourself, and then loading it into ArcGIS. And again, there's information in that folder for what you need to do, your requirements, and some other help. All right, so again, that's it. The big thing is the course schedule change, the discussion, and focus on your homework 1 and then your midterm. All right, take care. Have a good week. And again, if you need anything, you can reach out to me. You can email, you can use the Remind Text app, or if you want to schedule a video chat, or if you want to do that to walk through, we can definitely do that. While I don't have any set office hours, if you contact me, I can set up. So it's kind of like office hours on demand. I find that works a little bit better because it gives us both some flexibility. So office hours on demand, so to speak. All right, take care. Have a good week.